Hi guys, so you've probably added a business to your Akwaaba app and you're trying to figure out how to add an event. This tutorial will show you how to add a single date event on your Akwaaba app. Firstly, tap on the profile tab, select your business, and then tap on event from the pop-up menu, then add new. And now, step 2. Input your event name and description. Then select category and then you select your subcategory to proceed. Step 3. Add location of the event to proceed. Step 4. You get to add a date, start time, and an end time to continue. Step 5. Specify the type of ticket, whether it's free or paid or both, and then the ticket name, quantity, and then the ticket description. And now you select a cover image for your event to proceed, and then you finally tap on publish to complete the process. Ta-da! Your event is published on Akwaaba app. Congratulations!